Hello, everyone, and welcome from Dreamforce. Welcome to today's Demo Jam, focused on 5 app exchange apps. My name is Rebe De La Paz. I happen to be a woman of many hats or many wigs. Pick your hair covering. And, I'm an MVP, Salesforce consultant out of a firm in Chicago called RightPoint, a user group leader in the Chicago area, and I happen to be the co-founder of a little-known nonprofit known as Pep Up Tech, my shirt. So today, we're going to have 6 apps, 6 amazing apps are going to demo live for you to vote, for your vote. They have only 3 minutes to show the power of their apps. Voting will be open for 3 minutes after all 6 demos are complete, and the winner will be announced right here on this stage at Dreamforce. Today's Demo Jam will be available for replay at dreamforce.com, and you can always follow along on Twitter with the hashtag #SalesforceLive, hashtag DF18, and hashtag AppDemoJam. So today's participants include Get Feedback, Ingenious, PFL, Avalara, C-Event, and Metazoa. Next, we have Metazoa. Metazoa helps organizations with their change and release management and application lifecycle management through its Snapshot product line. Snapshot offers productivity tools for the Salesforce administrator or release manager who deals with org cleanup, reporting, comparison, and lifecycle management. Features include metadata migration from any org to any org, reporting and org optimization, compliance and security, and Salesforce DX compatibility. Talk about a mouthful there. So we have Tom Appleton, VP Sales and Customer Success, Sayathamurthy Sridhar, Technical Services Manager, and Jill Harani, Senior Director of Marketing. And I so did mess up your name. I'm so sorry. I should know better than that, right? So your time starts now.
All right, I bet a bunch of you out there are Salesforce and administrators and developers, like my friend Jill here. And in the next 3 minutes, we're going to show you something that can change your life.
Change my life? Do you know how many responsibilities I have as an admin? The only tool that I find that works is coffee.
Okay, fair enough. Coffee is awesome, but why don't you tell me about what you're struggling with?
Well, we have a bunch of Salesforce orgs, and I have to manage all the changes and deployments between them. The way we do it now is not flexible, and I'm a very visual person.
Sridhar, let's show her Snapshot. With Snapshot, you can build a drag and drop visual pipeline of all of your Salesforce orgs and content repositories. We have a great set of comparison tools that let you see the differences between them. We also have chain of custody that'll tell you who moved what and where they moved it. And you can deploy your changes on the fly or on demand on a schedule. And for your developers, we have a powerful continuous integration engine that'll allow them to map it to their DevOps process rather than forcing them to do it just one way. And best of all, everything is through an easy-to-use UI with no coding experience necessary.
Well, that sounds pretty cool, but what about profiles? We have a ton of them, and I have no easy way of seeing the differences in tracking issues.
Okay. Well, with Snapshot, we put profiles side by side in an easy-to-use comparison matrix. Then you can look at every part of them and see what the differences are in the same org or across orgs. And like with all of our reports, you can export it out to a CSV, a PDF, and share it with your team.
Wow. Okay, that's almost as good as my coffee, but my orgs, I have to admit, are kind of a mess.
Yeah.
So how do I clean up everything that nobody's using and get them optimized and running smoothly?
Well, with Snapshot, we have over 24 org management reports that cover security, compliance, and org cleanup. Right now, Sridhar's loading our Forgotten Asset report. Right now, he's looking at his custom tabs, and he's seeing all of the tabs that are not being used. But he could do this across any of his metadata. And best of all, he can right-click, export it out to a PDF or a CSV file, and he has a job list to go get everything cleaned up. Also, we have other reports like our field usage and our pick list usage, which will help you get your fields looking good and your org running smooth.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
30
it's
seconds.
awesome. I'm in. How do I get started?
Well, we've barely scratched the surface of what Snapshot can do. But if you go to the App Exchange, you can get a lot more information or do a trial.
Now I can be the hero of my org.
Yes, you can. But I gotta ask you, is that really coffee in your mug?
All right, talk about time to spare. They had 6 seconds left.
Woo.
Wow, amazing.
All right, let's go.
And they had a whole little skit and a cape and a special shirt. I got to get one of those shirts, right? Thank you, everyone, for being here. This was insane. And remember, you can watch this on Salesforce.com, Dreamforce.com. You can follow the App Exchange, #DF18 and #Salesforce Live. Thank you, everyone.